Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install and use ChatGPT plugins. These plugins can really take the functionality of ChatGPT to the next level and help you achieve more with your chatbot. First things first, if you're using the free version of ChatGPT, then you won't be able to access the plugins, so consider upgrading to Plus if you haven't already. With ChatGPT Plus, you get priority access to new features when they come out, you get faster response even when the demand is high, and you also get GPT-4, which is most capable in figuring out solutions to more complex issues. It's definitely worth buying. So let's jump into how you can easily install and get the most out of ChatGPT plugins. Once you have the ChatGPT Plus account, go to the bottom left of your window, click here and select Settings and Beta. Navigate to the beta features and turn on the plugins and code interpreter. The code interpreter is the built-in beta feature. You can use it to write, test, and execute Python code. But in this video, we'll be only talking about the plugins. Create a new chat, select GPT-4 and then navigate to plugins. Once you do that, a new option will appear. In the drop-down, you can see that I've already installed many plugins. Click on the plugin store and here you get a plethora of plugins. You can use these filters to narrow down the plugins or use the search bar to find a specific plugin. Here you get the most popular plugins which have the most installations by the users. Then you have the new plugins which have been recently added to the store. Next, you can view all the plugins, and if you take a look, they have 106 pages of plugins until now. A few days back, it was around 100 pages and now they are 106 pages, so the plugins are increasing day by day. Another thing I'd like you to know is that these plugins are powered by third-party applications, so you may be asked to grant certain permissions to some plugins. Make sure to read through the permissions carefully. Alright, let's install a plugin to show you how it works. I'll go to the popular and choose a plugin that I've used before. You can also read the short description to know what a plugin do, and when you find a plugin which you are interested in, simply click on the install button and it'll be installed in no time. One of the drawbacks of ChatGPT was that it could only access the data up to September 2021, and it's also not allowed to browse the internet directly, but now everything's changed with the addition of the plugins. For example, this 𝗚𝗚𝗧𝗘𝗗 plugin lets you access the internet, do the web browsing and fetch the data up till now. Keep in mind that you can install as many plugins as you want, but you can only activate 3 plugins at a time. So I'll have to deactivate the previous plugins first and then activate the new plugins that I just installed. After activating the plugins, I don't have to tell ChatGPT which plugin to use for a certain task. What I mean by that is, if I give it a task, it'll pick the right plugin on its own and get the job done. Sounds cool, right? Let's try it out. So first, I'm gonna ask it to access a website and give me a summary of what it's about. As you can see, out of the 3 active plugins, it has automatically used the 𝗚𝗚𝗧𝗘𝗗 plugin to visit the website and provided me with an overview. Now I'm gonna ask it to generate a map for me which requires a different plugin. As you can see, it has used the other plugin named Earth to generate this map for me. If you no longer need a plugin, you can easily remove it by going to the plugin store. Click on the Install tab. Find the plugin you want to remove and click the Uninstall button. The plugin will be removed from your ChatGPT account. That's how you install and use ChatGPT plugins. These plugins can immensely enhance your chatbot's functionality, and I would highly recommend you to go to the plugin store and explore as many plugins as you can. But if you want to save some time, I've also made another video about the must-have plugins that everyone must use to get the most out of GPT-4. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.